Hey there, just a quick update from the garden, especially for those of you following the soil block experiments. Remember those cucumber seeds? Well, they've come a long way. I have another cucumber here that I want to try. We transplanted the cucumbers into bigger containers while we were building the bed and the trellis. They stayed there for about a week and a half. Yesterday, I moved them to the new raised beds where they will have more room to grow. The plants are looking really strong and they've already doubled in size. Just look at those roots. I honestly think starting them in soil blocks made a big difference. While we're here, let me quickly show you a few other highlights from the garden. The tomatoes under the shade cloth are looking firm and there's already some fruit, plus lots of flowers. And ones in the new border are starting to take off too. I keep pinching the basil we planted beside them, and that should help them grow wide and bushy. Okay, also some radish coming up. And I really hope the nasturtium do well this time. I haven't had any luck with them here. But these are off to a good start, it seems. And the brassica patch. We tried some makeshift netting at first, but now we've got fiberglass rods in place. Well, just look at the result. I'm happy with it. The broccoli and the kale, they have a lot of damage caused by grasshoppers and locusts. And the funny thing is that I inspect them daily, but I can't find any traces of caterpillars. I expected them because there are still a lot of cabbage white butterflies here, but nothing. So, fingers crossed, maybe they'll survive out here in the open. Soon I'll be taking out all the cucumbers. This one's still flowering. Here's one of my guards, trying to keep the pests under control. This lettuce is bolting. I really hope I can get some seeds from it because it was really tasty lettuce. This beauty here is also basil, a different type. I believe it's called Genovese. It has large leaves, beautiful color, and it's an excellent basil for making pesto. We won't be short of basil this year. And of course, more soil blocks. We made another batch a few days ago with a new round of seeds. Some are already sprouting. Let's see if you can get the same great results. That's it for today. Just a quick check-in while I finish editing the bigger video. Let me know in the comments what you're growing at the moment, or if you've tried soil blocks yourself. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.